good morning to all students belonging to class 12th RS Inter College Kanpur. Today I am teaching you poetry. The name of poetry is My Heaven, composed by Rabindranath Tagore. Thakur Rabindranath Tagore was the great patriot. He was great dramatist, great novelist, great poet and great short writer, great essayist and great short story writer also. You should know that he was the great patriot and the national anthem which is sung daily by the students in the schools and colleges, and on 15th August and 26th January at every office of India very fondly sung, is also written by Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore was the great patriot, great lover of his motherland, and he has written many poetries on the patriotism. In this poetry, the poet desires India to be an ideal country, to be progressive country, to be prosperous, rich and happy country. He requests the God, he prays the God that his Indians, the people of India, may be active, laborious, hardworking and also have zeal for doing work. They should be very active. They should not be lazy. They should work day and night, and they should not stop till their mission is completed. They should be fearless from any kind of difficulty, and they should not be narrow-minded. Means the India may not be divided due to narrow-mindedness of its citizens on the base of the regions, the caste, religion and traditions. All the Indians may be united, may together work for the progress of the country. They may work for the freedom of the country. They should be great lover of freedom of their motherland, and they should work hard. They should not bend down the knees before the enemies. They may be bold warrior. They may be ideal citizens. They may work not for only their own benefits, but for the benefit of others. All the Indians may work for the good of the all human beings without any kind of division, either in basis of caste, on basis of religion, on basis of the states or countries, but they should think that whole world is our country, is our home, and India may be prosperous due to hard work, labor by the Indians. India may progress leaps and bounds, and he wants that his country may be the heaven on the earth. Means all people may be happy, all people may be prosperous, all people may be educated, all children may get education without any kind of hardship, hindrance or any kind of obstacles. Every citizen of India may have the right for the development, for doing the progress freely without being pressed by anybody, any government on the basis of the caste or religion. All Indians respectively may live their life and may work for the progress of the all human being. India may be prosperous day by day. It means our poet desires for an ideal country, ideal motherland, and ideal citizens. He prays the God that God may bless all Indians to be patriots, lover of freedom, and they may be self-respected. India may gain name and fame in all the world. India may be the heaven of the earth. That's all. And explanation of this poetry I am sending you through the WhatsApp. So take out your pen, open your copy, and start to just now the explanation of this poetry. Thank you very much.